One of the most iconic songs about telephone communications. That poor guy just wanted to speak to his baby, and something happened to her line. Well, moving forward in the future, we have some real issues where people can take over your cell phone via hijacking your SIM card, and we're going to discuss what you can do to protect yourself. If you're just now finding my channel for the first time, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that you're down every time I drop a fresh life gains video, because what do? Try to help improve the quality of your life through fitness, finance, and technology. And we're going to go ahead and discuss some various ways in which you can put your SIM card on lockdown. Sponsor of this video, IPVanish. If you're running a streaming device or on your computer and you want to keep your website anonymity, get that IPVanish link in the video description. Let's check this video out. What's good, YouTube? All knowing, all loving, all feeling, all seeing, all powerful, just damn all everything. Sex as hell host of the Life Gains channel, Life Gains Financial. Yes, we do it all on this channel, and we do it through helping you get a foundation in your fitness, in your finance, in technology that can help you improve the quality of your life. All those things we call life gains. And today we're discussing this issue where criminals have been able to hack into your cell phones, get that SIM card, and then from there can go and get your bank account information. So let us sit on down and discuss this so that you don't get taken advantage of. But first, put on the +7 glasses of sexy as hell. Work on skilling up this craft a little bit to give you a better review experience, to also give you something better to look at as well. And if you want these glasses, check my video description link, pharmo.com. You can get you a pair. So let me read you this article that came out about what the criminals have been doing. In a new scam that's generically being called mobile hacking, what else can you call it? SIM card hacking, cell phone hacking, whatever. More accurately termed SIM card hacking, criminals are now able to breach your financial accounts with as little as the last 4 digits of your social security number. So right there, let me stop and just say, considering what happened with the data breaches at Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, one way to solve that problem is to freeze your credit. I got a video on how you can do that, so go look at it. Here's how this one plays out. A crook who has the last 4 digits of your social security number can call your wireless carrier, impersonate as you. They can convince customer rep to issue a new SIM card for your phone number, which they then can activate to take control of your number. Once your new phone number is in their control, they can gain access to your accounts, bank, investments, as well as your social media, and siphon money out without you even knowing it. Damn. Can you imagine you trying to call your baby and your phone's not working, and all at the same time, you don't have access to any of your accounts that we typically load apps on our phone for our banking records, but we can't get to that either. And then we go to our bank and you might have $50,000 in there and it's gone. Mind you, this isn't just paranoid speculation about the latest iteration of hacking attacks coming down the line. No, this is happening right now in real time. That is according to the report from Motherboard that includes 9 personal tales from people who have been affected by SIM card hijacking. The moral of the story here is, don't assume you're protected with just a passcode on your phone and standard 2-factor authentication on all your accounts. While this is a good start, it is increasingly not enough. The best way to fight back is to add a PIN to your smart account, which creates a necessary 3rd layer of protection. So the phone companies have started letting you do that, and I'm putting a list up here of how you can go about doing it for each of the major carriers. So at AT&T, you have to log into your AT&T account, add a PIN. Once you're in your account, go to View Profile, then navigate to Sign In. Then look for Wireless Passcode. Finally select Manage Extra Security. Create your new passcode. That's AT&T. Sprint requires its customers to have a PIN. it's a good idea to periodically update yours by logging into your account. Once you're in, select My Sprint, then Profile, followed by Security. Scroll down to Security Information to update your PIN. That's Sprint. T-Mobile, dial either 611 or 1-800-937-8997 on your phone to add a PIN to your phone's account. Unlike the other carriers, which only allow for 4-digit, T-Mobile allows you to create a 6-digit passcode, which just makes it harder for somebody to figure out. And you want to make these numbers not stuff that you've used in the past. So for you folks that got to do the 4 digits, don't make that your birthday. Don't make that your last 4 of your social security number. Just don't do that. Last but not least, Verizon. Go to vzw.com/PIN to set your PIN. As an alternative, you can stop by any Verizon store with your government issue ID or call 1-800-922-0204. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's hard enough making money as it is. And one of the best ways you can increase the finances of your household is to avoid these type of scams and cut bills and extra stress where necessary. And this is definitely going to be a step to help ensure that you don't get taken advantage of, because what are we about on this channel? We're about popping our collar and giving you those life gains, in particular financial life gains, so that you can improve the quality of your life and live a fun life. And that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe. Go get yourself that life gain. If you want one-on-one time with me, you have questions, pressing questions that you want to know, go join my Patreon account. I answer questions over there. I give more one-on-one time with people that need help in all the areas we cover on this channel, and I would love to be able to do that with you. So go over there and join my Patreon account. Share my videos, like these videos. Let's make 2018 a year that we reach more people with all these life gains so that everybody is improving the quality of their life. Till that next Sex is Hell video, I'll see you.